was your name?
Meg.
Meg?
Don't tell me they're going to build a 10-storey apartment block here.
20 stories.
20 stories?
Nah, playground.
A playground. All right, I can cope with a playground. Okay, let me just set the cage up first.
Yeah, that's all right.
Just
just a small playground, so...
Oh, playground is perfect.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I video?
Video? Yeah, that should be alright, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's no reason why. It's about the bat, not about anything else.
Yeah, that's
Okay, just let me do that.
So you've done bats before? Like?
Yeah, it's all I do.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Occasionally I might do another animal, but it's bats.
Yeah.
A Megabattie.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. You just join and then you'll learn as you go. I've got 16 years experience with bats.
Okay, cool. So they try to like other dishes? This one was trying to... I'll get this other brick off with it.
That's alright, I can just do it like that. Hello. Some of them will fight you. A lot. Hello, little.
Yeah, big one, small one? Or?
She looks like a skinny adult female. Let me just unhook that one.
She was drinking some of the water.
Well then, she's thirsty, aren't you? Hello, let me see how you are. Let me have a look. You moving? Yeah. You're moving your feet? You're moving this one? Yes, you are. Good girl. Good girl. You tell me about it. Can you move that? Can you move that? Oh, good. You can move all your bits. Excellent. Right, I've got hold of her feet so she can't do anything. Here. Here. There we are. Let me give you some glucose. Glucose combats shock. She's a bit shocked. Face is a bit pale. Don't bite it, sweetie. Don't bite it. Now, tell me all about it. You tell me about it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Look at you, pretty girl. Look at you. And we're going to call you Myrtle, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the one from the street, 2 streets over, next to Myrtle Street, I called Turtle because it was a boy. Myrtle the turtle. There we are. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl? You are. Okay, so she gets to lie down for the... Yeah. I can take off the cage if you wanted.
Right.
Yeah. She gets to lie down for the day, and we'll see how she is tonight. If she's okay tonight, she can go in with the other bats.
Other bats?
Yeah, I've got other bats in care. Always have other bats in care. Not at my place, at another carer's place. I do the immediate care, and then I drop them to people who've got room. I live in 2 rooms. There's not room for bats in my place, except babies.
Like in an aviary, something like that?
Yeah, so this carer has got a bat room.
In the house?
Yeah.
In the city?
Yeah, in Lewisham. So, yeah.
Well, I walked in this morning and I opened up like normal.
Yeah.
Came back and then she was in this hole here.
In the hole?
Yeah, she was in the hole. Just in there. So then I got the bucket and then I put it like in that hole there.
Okay.
And then she went into it and then she grabbed onto the side of it and then I put her in this bucket and then she wanted to
and you
go
didn't
out.
get bitten or scratched, did you?
No, I didn't get bitten.
Yeah. Okay. They can't get out. They can't stand up, so they can't fly off the ground.
Oh, they can't fly off the ground?
No, they can't stand up.
So
can't get a wing stroke in.
Yeah.
Not like a bird, and because their wings are about nearly a metre, they need to get onto height. So she would have needed to get up onto that that mesh in order to get some height to fly off. But there's too many obstacles because they drop first, so she would have had to go on that side and hopefully get up high. But look, we've got buildings all the way around and trees, so she would eventually smacked into something because they need some clear space for flight. Yeah, well, when you said that she was about 20 centimetres long, I just thought maybe it'll be a juvie. But really. Their wingspan will go out to that. So,
Like an adult.
okay. All cool, all good.
Thanks for
Well,
coming
good luck
out.
with your lovely park.
Thank you. I'll see any ducks, and yeah, I'll have to call Wise again. You might be out again.
Hello? There we are. $678 minus 202. 478. 476. That's a skinny girl. That's a skinny mini. It's not even 500 grams. You're little. Why don't I do that while you're being so cooperative? $158, 158. Should be at least 100 grams more than you are. Can I just give you this? Oh yeah. I'm going to put you to bed. Miss Skinny Minnie. Give you some fluids. Yeah, good girl. And then you're just going to stay with me for the day. And if you're okay tonight, you can go and hang with the girls and boys. We can give you an awesome pedicure. There we are. I'm hoping you haven't hit your head too badly. And you can be released within a week, I'm hoping. Put your feet up like that. That's a good girl. There we are. Pretty girl. Hey, little love. It's better, isn't it? Yeah, let me put it in there. That's a good girl. Keep going. That's a good girl. Go and look at your eyes. They look a little bit wet to me, don't they? You got something in them? Let me have a look at this one. But we put some goop in. I think we need to put some goop in them. Try again. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. You got sub-adult. You're either a big juvenile or you're a year old, 18 months old. More juice? I think so. Even if you don't want it, I think it's a good idea. Come on, open your mouth for me, good girl. Try again. No? Okay, you're not up to it yet. All right. Yeah. Shut your eyes, sweetheart. That's a good girl. There we are. Yeah. Let me just feel where I've got that. There we are. Here we are. There. Give you something for pain. Put you back to bed. Hello, beautiful. Miss Myrtle, who's going to the aviary. Well, she's going to the to a carer. See how she goes in a couple of days. Put your toes up for me. That's a good girl. This is just a temporary ID, and because they've they can get this off easily, or it just chips off. I'm going to chip her. Okay, that'll do. That'll do. When that's dry, I'm going to microchip her. I have no idea what happened to the collars. I had a whole heap of them. And I'm talking about I had packets of them. And now, apparently I don't. And I wonder if I just dropped them off to somebody who needed them at the time. I don't know. You're ready to go. I can put you in the aviary. I identified. Can you get off this for me, please? Good girl. Actually, we'll put it next to you like that. Keep you in the clean bit. There we are. There we are. One, 12507. 12507. There we are. You're good. You good? Okay, let's go. Here we are. Go to an air-conditioned place. Not up me. There we are. There we go, love. Okay, so she's chipped and she's got green toes. So I think the little blondie in the front is one of mine, but we're looking for, well, we're not looking for today, but we're looking for Macca's because I think he'll itch. I don't know. One of them's Macca's. I can't see any of their toes, and if I go over, they all freak out. So, where are you, sweetheart? Okay. You're just going to stay there, are you? Have you come out, have you? Who's coming over to see you? Oh, the meet and greet. You don't want to be sniffed. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello, Myrtle.